Welcome to Daily Affirmations. Take a second to clear your mind, and take a quick breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, let's begin. Repeat after me. I'm like a magnet when it comes to making friends. I'm worthy of gaining loyal friends. People feel comfortable interacting with me. Making new friendships comes naturally to me. I love others around me as they are. My friends add to my happiness. I trust myself for being a good friend to others. I'm pleasant company to others. People see me as a good person and potentially a good friend. I don't have toxic people in my life. I attract genuine people into my life. I am good enough to have great friends. Being lovable around others requires loving myself first. I am a source of joy for my friends. I don't judge my friends. I lift up the people around me in their time of need. I always remember to give time to my friends. I'm thankful for all of my wonderful friends and friends-to-be. I stay open to welcoming new friends. I deserve the same vibe and energy from my friends as I radiate. I have a positive vibe that attracts a positive tribe. My friends honor and respect my values. I have very supportive friends around me. I am surrounded by the love of my friends. With each passing day, my circle of friends expands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.